An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meter. Find that two boats are sailing together in the same direction. So what they mentioned here, D is your aeroplane, ma. So from the aeroplane, whose altitude, whose 90 degree, okay, whose height is 1800 meter they given, okay. So what they will find that two boats are sailing together it in the same direction. So two boats, I am having a one boat and two boats. So you visiting from the aeroplane, so from to this boat and to B boat, okay. So this is your altitude, your standing position is your altitude, okay. So two boats you are observing. So both the boats are having what angle of the depression. So first boat is what angle 30 degree. The second boat's extending the distance, right? So obviously it should be 60 degree. Okay, if you're reducing your distance means your angle should be rise. Okay, that's I already told in previous. Okay, then what they asking, find the distance between two boards where it is about A and B. So we are going to find out AB value. So for my convenient I am taking this is my X and this is my Y. For my convenient I am taking, and they given a root 3 equal to 1.732. So these are my values, and before that, so where it is your Z, my Z 30 is in this place 30 degree. So we are having a Z like this, so 60, so 60 degree, okay. So in this place I am taking a smaller triangle. In triangle BCD, in BCD, BC is equal to Y, DC is equal to 1800 meter, and whose angle equal to what? 60 degree. So tan theta equal to opposite is what? DC by what is the hypotenuse? BC. So tan 60 degree is equal to 1800 by BC is what? Y. So 60 is a root 3. So 1800 by Y. So cross multiply. So Y is moving that way. So 1800 by root 3. So if you are having a root means you are having a struggle to cancelling means you can conjugate. So root 3 by root 3. So it's become a rationalize. So root 3 into root 3, 3. So I can cancel in 3 table. 1800 for how many times? So y is equal to 600 root 3 meter. Okay, you know your y value. Then you are taking your bigger triangle ACD. Why I am taking this means because we are using a 90 degree angles. That's why we are taking this bigger angle. So in this place it's just slanting, right? So it's not a right angle triangle. So that's why we are taking this bigger triangle. In triangle ACD, theta is what? 30 degree, and whose AC is equal to what? AB plus BC. So that's nothing but x plus y. AB is x, BC is y, and whose altitude? DC is equal to 1800 meter. So in this place tan theta, which one is opposite? DC. We see in DC hypotenuse, adjacent is AC. So tan 30 degree is equal to what is a DC? 1800 by AC is a x plus y. So what is a 30 degree? 1 by root 3 equal to 1800 by x plus y. So cross multiply. So x plus y equal to 1800 root 3. Substitute in this place y. Substitute y in 1. So I am taking this is my 1 means. Okay, so x plus 600 root 3 equal to 1800 root 3. So x is equal to 1800 root 3. This is moving this place, minus 600 root 3. So x is equal to, so root 3 is the same, right? So I can subtract. So how much? 1800 minus 1200. Okay, 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. Balance 1. That's why I am taking this. So x is equal to, we already know, root 3 equal to 1.732 00 into 732. 1.732. So we can solve and get this answer. 1732 into 1200, 0 into 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, again 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 6, 2 7s are 14, balance 1, so 2, then 3, then 2, 3, 7, 1, 0, 0, 4, 8, 7, 10. So how many points it have? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 points. So how much? So x is equal to 2708 2078.4 meter. That's only they asking, right? So they asking AB. So therefore the distance between two boats. Therefore the distance between the two boats equal to 2078.4 meter. That's it. Okay.